Hi there, welcome back to Yapok the Kids Chef. Today on our menu, we'll be making apple, strawberry and pear puree. So let's begin. We will need strawberry, apple, pear, Cerelac or cereal. Please check the age if it's appropriate for your child, and of course our blender. We'll also need a knife and a peeler. So we'll continue by peeling our apple so that it will be really smooth, because most children do not enjoy the skin of the apple. So it's good we peel all the skin off, and after that remove all the seeds and then chop it into pieces. We hereby peel our pear also, in order to have the same smooth consistency just as the apple. So after peeling it, we'll take the seeds out and then chop it into pieces just as we did for the apple. So the three fruits we are using today, amazingly, all contain vitamin C. And vitamin C helps strengthen the baby's immunity, and it also helps them to obtain iron from plant-based foods. So what makes pear so special is its water content. Pear contains a lot of water, so as you can see, the water is already oozing out of it, and without even adding water, I can easily blend it nicely. Let's talk some more about strawberry. Normally I give anything berries to my babies from the age of 1. So before the age of 1, I don't give them like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, no, or even grapes. I give it to them after the age of 1 because most babies are prone to have allergic reactions. That's why I don't give it to them. And by the time they turn 1 also, I already know the fruits they love. So if I add any berry to it and they react, I know that definitely that was the cause. That's why. So we will now add our Cerelac or our cereal meal to it, and then we'll blend again. Furthermore, strawberry contains folate, and folate fuels the toddler's metabolism, cell energy, and antioxidant activities. So our fruit puree is ready, and I went for this consistency because my baby likes it this way. So just know what works for your baby and add more or less of the Cerelac or the cereal meal. So you can serve this between the hours of 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. and I can assure you that your baby will just enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.